Did you know that some people earn thousands of dollars each month without lifting a finger? It's true. This phenomenon is known as passive dividend income, and it can be a game changer for your financial future. Imagine waking up every morning to find that your bank account has grown, all without you having to do any additional work. This isn't about winning the lottery or stumbling upon a windfall. This is about the power of dividends, a reliable and consistent way to build passive wealth over time. Even small, consistent investments can grow over time and lead to substantial passive income. So stick with us as we will deliver strategies and investment vehicles that have shown to produce outstanding returns. What is all this hype about dividends, you ask? Dividends are payments companies make to their shareholders, typically on a quarterly basis. These payments are a portion of the company's profits shared with those who have invested in their stock. The investor may choose to have those payments delivered as cash or reinvested in what is called a DRIP, or dividend reinvestment plan. Think of it like getting a regular paycheck from your investments. Amazing, right? This steady stream of income can provide financial stability and peace of mind, knowing that your money is working for you. A tip here is to make sure that you have elected to DRIP in stocks or funds you own. If it is not automatic, you may end up having a large pile of uninvested cash. Many people dream of earning passive income, but few take the steps necessary to achieve it. It requires planning, patience, and a bit of financial savvy. Imagine having money flow in while you relax on a beach, travel the world, or pursue your passions and hobbies. Passive income can give you the freedom to live life on your own terms. Dividends can be your ticket to financial freedom. By reinvesting your dividends and allowing them to compound over time, you can significantly grow your wealth. Here is exactly how. Our example today is using SCHD Schwab US Dividend Equity ETF, and its trailing 10-year return of approximately 11.6%. While it is important to note that your experience can be better or worse, this fund is widely known and is generally considered a leading dividend and growth ETF. There are many to choose from. With a bit of planning and smart investing, anyone can tap into the potential of dividends. Educate yourself, seek advice from financial experts, and stay committed to your investment strategy. Let's explore how you can aim for an impressive goal: $3,000 per month in dividend income within a year. By setting clear financial goals and taking actionable steps, you can turn the dream of passive income into a reality. Let's start by ensuring we have the basics of money math covered. You see, this is one of the most important pieces of financial knowledge that you must fully understand. There are no shortcuts. I will be placing an excellent calculator in the description that is perfect for you to model your investment goals. $3,000 a month in a year? Sounds like a dream, doesn't it? But here's the thing. It's entirely possible even within a year. Yes, you heard that right, within just 12 months. Hard, yes, impossible, hardly. Money math will tell you exactly how this can happen. Now, I'm not promising it'll be easy. It will take effort and there will be challenges along the way. It requires dedication, a solid strategy, and the right investments. You need to be prepared to put in the work and stay committed. First, start with the annual amount you hope to achieve, in this case $36,000. Then divide this by the expected rate of return of 0.116. You will see that you would need a lump sum of $310,000 to achieve a perpetual income of $3,000 per month. So $24,500 per month for 12 months, and you would never have to touch it again. Don't be intimidated by the $3,000 target in 1 year. It may seem daunting, but it's achievable with the right approach. It will be a lot easier and require a lot less money monthly if you give it a little more time. You see, time is the key. So later, we will run a scenario of something much more reasonable and provide you with 3 proven strategies to consider. We'll break down the steps to make it achievable for almost anyone. From choosing the right stocks to understanding market trends, we'll guide you through the process. With the right knowledge and commitment, you can turn this financial dream into reality. It's closer than you think, and we're here to help you every step of the way. Let's be real. There are some challenges to generating significant dividend income. A common hurdle is having enough starting capital. You might think you need a fortune to invest in dividend-paying stocks. While it's true that more money invested typically means more dividends, don't be discouraged if you're starting small. The good news is that these obstacles are surmountable. Next, we will show you 3 strategies to research on dividend investment selection. Begin with what you can afford to invest and gradually grow your portfolio over time. The key is to take that first step and keep learning along the way. In this chapter, we will explore 3 powerful dividend strategies to help you achieve your financial goals. The first strategy is investing in covered call ETFs. These funds generate income by selling call options on the stocks they hold, providing a steady stream of dividends. This strategy can be particularly effective in a stable or slowly growing market. Some examples are XYLD, OILC, and EWZ. The second strategy is focusing on high-yield REITs. Real estate investment trusts are required to distribute a significant portion of their income as dividends, making them an excellent choice for income-focused investors. Since REITs must distribute at least 90% of their taxable income to shareholders, they often offer higher yields compared to traditional stocks. Examples are O, AGNC, and NLY. The third strategy is investing in dividend aristocrats. These are companies that have consistently increased their dividends for at least 25 years, offering both stability and growth potential. By diversifying your portfolio with these 3 strategies, you can build a robust and reliable dividend income stream. Examples are VIG, DGRO, and SCHD. By combining these 3 strategies, covered call ETFs, high-yield REITs, and dividend aristocrats, you can create a diversified portfolio that maximizes your dividend income while minimizing risk. Remember, the key to successful dividend investing is not just choosing the right stocks, but also staying disciplined and patient as you build your wealth over time. Now, let's move on to an inspiring story of someone who turned their dividend investing dreams into reality. Let me tell you about Sarah. She's a teacher who, like many, dreamed of financial freedom. Sarah started with a modest amount of savings and a thirst for knowledge. She spent months researching dividend investing, reading books, and attending webinars. Sarah carefully selected companies with a proven track record of dividend payments and strong financials. She reinvested every single dividend she received, watching her portfolio steadily grow. It wasn't always easy. There were times when the market dipped and she felt uncertain. But Sarah stayed the course, disciplined and focused on her goal. Fast forward to today, and Sarah earns a significant portion of her income from dividends alone. Her story is a testament to the power of knowledge, patience, and a sound investment strategy. Building a $3,000 monthly dividend income stream requires a plan and consistent effort. Remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint. Let's look at a more reasonable example of how to get there. Invest $500 a month, and voila, in 16 years, you would have enough saved to achieve your dream. Start with as much as you can, and increase it when you can afford to. You can do it. Knowledge is power. Educate yourself about dividend investing and research potential investments thoroughly, including money math modeling with a financial calculator. Reinvest and compound. Harness the magic of compounding by reinvesting your dividends to accelerate growth. Discipline is key. Stick to your strategy, even during market fluctuations. Stay focused on your long-term goals. By following these principles, you can set yourself on the path toward financial independence and a life where your investments work hard for you. What are your thoughts on building passive income through dividends? Have you had any successes or challenges on your own investment journey? Share your experiences and insights in the comments below. Remember, there's always more to learn in the world of finance. If you're interested in exploring other strategies for building wealth and achieving financial freedom, check out our other resources. Cheers.